Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can download and install Geometry Dash game on your PC. So first head over to the Steam website and just create the Steam account. And after you create the Steam account, just click on the install Steam option you will see on the top and just download the Steam and install it on your PC. So after you install the Steam on your PC, just open it up, then just click on the top search box and just type Geometry Dash, and after you type it you will see this game on the top, so just click on the Geometry Dash game. And once this page was open, just scroll down and you will find the option of add to cart, so just click on this add to cart option. Now just click on this option of view my cart. Now just click on this option of continue to payment, and guys just go ahead and pay the amount. And after you pay the amount you will find this game in your library of Steam. So just go to your Steam library and just find this game, then just click on it, then just click on the install option. And guys, that's how you can download and install this game. If you find this guide useful, please like this video and thanks for watching.